Do you remember what we were doing last year this time? Do you remember?
Yeah.
What? Where were we?
Oh, we were at the hospital bell.
Yeah, what were we doing?
It was born.
Yeah, Garrett was born.
He did.
Who was with you at the hospital?
Mimi.
That's right.
Yeah.
Did you go see Garrett at the hospital? Now Garrett's big enough to get your food.
Do you wish he was born? Are you glad he was born?
Do you like Garrett, Sawyer? Do you like Garrett? Do you like him? Are you glad he's your brother? Are you glad you were born, Garrett? Garrett, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ooh, we got you wet. You can't have that. It's gonna make a big mess. Sorry, G. You got slobbered on. Can you walk, Garrett? Can you show us how you can walk? Huh? Go show us how you walk. Come here. Let him walk to you.
Come here, Garrett.
Let go, Sawyer. I mean, go scoot away.
Here.
Go get him. Go get him. Yay.
Come here.
Yay. Go get Dad.
Come here, Garrett.
Go get him.
Come here.
Yay. Come here, Garrett. Garrett. And he climbs. Huh. Going to bed? Can't sleep in your bed tonight? Why? Hi.